What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I just wanted to show you how you can set contact call logs, backgrounds for your contacts on your iPhones. If you're running Android 17, you can currently do this. Still in developer mode, but you can currently do this if you're currently running Android 17. So pretty much all you would need to do is just go into your phone app, find the contact that you want, and this is what it will currently look like. But if you want to call it, if you want to set a call background, all you would need to do is just hit edit. Once you hit edit, you can hit edit again, and it is bringing up these call screens for when I get a call from this person. You can pick which one you want. So right now I currently have this one, but I can also go in here and I can customize it to where I can add a contact photo or a poster. So I'm going to hit poster, and then I will get a choice to go to my gallery, and I can find a photo in my gallery that I actually want to use as my call photo when that phone number calls me. So right now we're just going to use this right here because this is one of my other devices that I'm going to call this device with. So pretty much it's going to say Monique Kia. So this is how the call screen is going to look. So I can hit done, and then I will go hit continue, and I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to change the photo at the top also. But I wanted to show you that, and I want to show you how it will look when that person calls your phone when you change it. So I'm going to make a call from my group, from my other device. Let me go to my phone, and I'm going to call this phone right here. So once I call it, calling it right now. Well, it's supposed to. Okay, so I'm calling it right now. And as you can see, this is how it will currently look when someone is calling you, when you change your contact poster. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you back in the next video. I'm out.